If you are not shopping at Costco for all of your Thanksgiving essentials, allow me to show you what you are missing out on. Don't feel like slaving away in the kitchen all day? That's cool. Costco's got you. They have mashed potatoes and mashed sweet potatoes. Pick your favorite or both. I'm not judging. They also have bacon served mac and cheese for $2.99 a pound, and these pre-made Thanksgiving dinners for $3.99 a pound. They include turkey breast, stuffing, mashed potatoes, green beans, and cranberry sauce. This entire meal is heat and serve, and it'll cost you around $40. For dessert, you can never go wrong with one of their ginormous pumpkin pies for $5.99. Because we all know we're not going to get through this day without coffee, we have these 72-count K-Cups of Starbucks coffee, either the Pike Roast or the French Roast, for $33.99. And now on to everyone's favorite, cleanup. We have these 102-ounce bottles of Palmolive dish soap on sale for $6.59. We also have a fantastic sale price on Finish Quantum dishwasher tabs, 100 tabs for $14.99. And we have a 32-ounce bottle of the Finish Jet Dry for $7.59. That's all for now, so don't forget to like this video and follow for part 2 when I go over the best Black Friday deals that Costco has to offer this year.